Hello guys, in this video we are gonna talk about how to connect and set up your Dreamhost email in Outlook. So the first thing you'll have to do is navigate to your file, info, add account basically, and then here in the auto connect setup, it'll manually configure settings or additional server types so you place manual config. So next, you do an internet email right here. Once you've done internet email, you will have to actually enter everything, your name, the email, like this. So email and then the IMAP, incoming mail server, test if you want to even test the account settings, you can do so right there. So once you have done that, you go to more settings and then you will see my outgoing server SMTP. So use same settings as my incoming mail server and then select advanced. In the incoming IMAP, it should be set to 143 and outgoing server SMTP to 25. So once you've done that, press OK, and then you'll be taken back to the first setting basically, and then press next and OK. From there, you press finish, and then you're all set up to use your Dreamhost email in Outlook, and it's just that simple. If this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.